So you've just got yourself the Osmo Action 6 and you're wondering what else you can do with it. In this video I'm going to show you the new macro lens here. So what's really cool about this design is that you can literally just unscrew this lens cover here, which is just a protective cover on the standard one, and you can install different lenses. So this one is the macro lens and is the official DJI macro lens for the Osmo Action 6. So yeah, nothing too much in the box. Here is the lens here. Ooh, love how that's, look how unique that is. Let's just remove that. Oh, that's really cool. It's like a little lens box. Love that. And so you just remove that little clip section and lift it open. Wow, that actually looks like premium glass that they've gone with here. Very cool. So it says Osmo, it says 110 to 750 over here, and that's the macro portion. Looks like it's built premium. Oh wow, look at that. That's an actual legit lens. Okay, so I need to be careful with this. Love the case for this one. So all you've got to do is you unscrew this. Let's just power on the camera so you can see. So if we're to kind of look up, this is what you're getting. It's a bit hard to show you. I guess we do have the plant there that I can show you. So that's what you can see with the standard. So if I unscrew this, and that's literally all you have to do, unscrew it, put it off to one side, and then you then screw this one into place. No way, that's actually really cool. Look at that. What? How cool is that? It's a big old lens, big old macro lens, so now, oh look at that, that zoomed right in. It's giving us that macro. Oh, that is so cool. Let's just hold up the plant so we can see it. So that's that macro. That is so cool. And the build on that is remarkable. I absolutely love that. So do we have much range of motion here, or is this just... No, we can. Look, there's a little wheel. So we can adjust the focus point that we're looking for. So what does that actually do in real time? Gives a slightly different look to it. I can see that in the, or you couldn't even see that, but like, yeah, you've got the adjustment on the side here to be able to adjust it from a macro to more of a landscape there. And I can see that it's automatically picked up. If I can open this, it's already picked up that this is macro. It's got that little macro icon in the top corner there. So if I pull across, maybe quality, priority, it's got a few settings here. Interesting, but it's picked up that it's macro immediately, and that's the lens system. That is really cool. Love that. And it gives it a whole different look. Look how premium that looks. If we were to kind of move that into the frame like that, just so you can see it, like it's a big old lens, really high quality. You can see it's a macro lens, and that is so unique. There we go. So that's the macro lens for the Osmo Action 6, and that's what you can expect from it.